Hey everybody, figured I'd take a couple quick seconds, show you my topper, 58 model, 12 gauge, made by H&R. It's a break action, single shot 12 gauge. I've added a few things. I got the Mossy Oak brand stock side saddle. It's got, I think it's 12 gauge birdshot in there. I got the recoil pad to add on there, just, because I like my shoulder in one piece after shooting. Oh, yeah, by the way, for all you safety Nancy's out there, it's unloaded. There's the breech. But anyway, I bought the cartridge belt with some shells in it, but, gotta have that. I bought a swivel set and installed those. They weren't the easiest thing to install, but once I got them installed, they're pretty nice. I like them. This one, the positioning is a little, I didn't know if I got it right. I came close. It was good enough. And I put just the cheap sling on it from Walmart. Forgive me, I got sinus action going down. Cold, you know how that is. But I'm considering shortening the barrel. But I have concerns with the barrel shortening as to the length. Someone told me that right here is where you start the measurement of 18 inches with a shell in it, not back here. And some people say it's here, some people say it's here. I need to know exactly where the measurement starts before I even consider cutting this off. Also, it's a full choke gun, so I don't know what that's going to mean, what that's going to do to the scatter pattern at the end of the barrel. So if anybody's got any answers for me, I'd appreciate to hear it. I'd also like to pick up I saw a tactical foregrip for this somebody had, but I don't know where to get it. Curious to get one, if anybody knows any information on it. But anyway, that's the gun. If anybody's got any answers to the questions, they can just reply in the comments. Thanks for watching.